Looking for an indoor playground in Queens where kids can burn off energy? Here is our honest review of LaserBounce in Glendale. LaserBounce is located inside Atlas Park on the lower level, right below Regal Cinemas. It's easy to find thanks to the large signs. Getting here is convenient. There's plenty of free parking, and if you're taking public transportation, the Q29 and Q54 buses stop nearby. As soon as you walk in, you will see lockers for rent and kiosks where you can buy or reload game cards. One thing to keep in mind, it can become an expensive outing if you're not keeping track of how much you are spending. Inside you'll find arcade games, VR attractions, bowling, a bounce house, a large play area with foam balls and a laser tag arena. Our family's favorite attractions are racing simulators and the water shooting arcade games. There is also a small snack bar with drinks, popcorn, pizza, and few other food options. In the back you'll find private party rooms. We have attended a birthday party here before. It was well organized, but nothing that really stood out. When you are finished playing, you can exchange your tickets for prizes. Most of the prizes are inexpensive toys, and the better ones require a huge number of tickets. Still, kids love picking out a prize, and it definitely makes it easier to convince them it's time to go home. We visit LaserBounce fairly often, because it's easy to get to, parking is convenient, and it's one of our favorite rainy day activities. The biggest downside is definitely the cost. We would recommend it for more older kids, since there aren't as many activities designed for toddlers. Overall, if you're looking for a fun indoor activity in Queens, LaserBounce is worth checking out. If you have been here before, let us know your experience in the comments.